Welcome to the BEAST team e-voting prototype delivered for the Human Centred Computing Assessment 1 at University of West London.
Thanks, Ben. I'm Jack, and as you can see here, this is the overall prototype that we have created, starting from the first screen. The flow below is the voting flow, and then the flow above is the audit flow. And I'm going to be taking us through the voting flow first of all. So here we are. So as you can see, it gets onto the first opening home screen and the voter can press click here to get started. And if in any case the voter has not already registered with our platform, then you can press down to a register page in which you can fill in all the details, press register, and then account has been created, and then back onto the login page, which brings you through to the flow. This is a security page. This was one of our assignments. So just to ensure that the user knows their data is safe proceeding, and then you come to where you sign in with your company ID, of which more information around what the company ID is available at the I screen, at the I button. Once you have entered your company ID, you press enter and you come to this sort of a menu page where all of your previous company votes will be available. As you can see, if we click on one of the older votes, the vote is now closed. Please choose a live vote, so that does not work. But on clicking the budget allocation vote, it brings you to the real voting page, of which you have a text-to-speech here, for any accessibility needs, and then also more information on how to function on the thing, so selecting one of the votes. And when the user is ready, the user will select one of the votes and then press confirm vote. Oh wait, no, I don't want that vote, I'd like to change that vote. You can go back and select any of the other votes before. So if we select the canteen improvements, confirm vote. Once you click confirm, you cannot go back. We'd like to confirm the vote. Thanks for voting. At this point, the user can either go back to the menu and has cast their vote and they're all done, or they can choose to give feedback on our platform, which this button will take them to a quick two-minute survey that the user can navigate through, again with a very similar type of functionality to the original casting vote. How do you find the experience today? I thought it was very good. At which point you can press next, and then how likely are you to recommend us to other users? I would press very likely, and you can press next. Thanks for your feedback. And at that point, you can press back to menu, where the menu will have updated. And on any of these votes, you can see the vote is now closed as you have completed all of the votes. That is the voter flow. And I'm now going to pass over to Ben, who is going to take you through the audit flow.
Thanks, Jack. So from the auditing side that we can see above, if I just click there. So in the top left-hand corner, we can see the admin login button. So this then takes you to the back end of the system where you can audit votes. Here we log in, and then as seen on the voting flow, we have a login page, then the auditing company ID page, so enter. And here a very similar view to that of the voters with slightly different notions. So this vote is not available as the voting's still open, but yet again not audited. And then the bottom one, the voting is complete and has been audited. So both of these are grayed out as they're not available to be audited. However, budget allocation is available. So we click on that, and then this opens the voting dashboard for auditing. As you can see on the right hand side, this has been started to be audited. So we've got a little bit of progress in the progress bar. And then each of these dashboard elements is clickable to drill down for more detail. So if I just flick on and back from these two elements, and then this one we click on and we can see some of the voters that have registered. So we can click more here to see all of the details for the new voters registered and the visitors who didn't vote, who logged into the system and didn't vote. And if I go back, there's also the functionality to export this. So this can be exported to Excel, for further data analysis, or Power BI, or PowerPoint if you wish to present this to executives alike. Go back. Say I've now finished all the auditing activities for this, I can then click the audited checkbox in the top right. This then completes the progress, and we can then go back to the dashboard, where here we can see that the status has now changed to voting complete and it has been audited. So if we then try to click on it, like the voting flow, this vote is not available to audit as with the other ones. Thank you very much.